What's up, guys? It's your boy Zach over here at Parkside Kia in Knoxville, Tennessee. What I got here is a 2021 Kia Sportage EX. Alright. Also, I got my co-worker Ray here.
I'm Ray. I'm here to assist and show y'all some of the great safety features here in this brand new 2021 Kia Sportage.
Alright, guys, so first thing off I want to show you is these automatic projector headlamps, okay? And just to go along with that, you get these really nice fog lights as well. And one thing that I want to make sure I show you is this really nice gloss black finish around your grille, okay? I really like how that looks.
And going off of some of the safety features we have here, we also have 4 parking sensors here that go with all our driver assistance packages, which gives this car a 5-star rating. Alright y'all, we've now made our way here to the side of the vehicle. This vehicle is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels covered in Michelin tires, as well as power folding mirrors here as well. Keyless entry with a chrome trim over the door handle, and this vehicle does have a 5-star safety rating when it comes to side crashing.
Alright guys, so on the door panel I just want to show you that this is going to be your automatic one-touch window up and down. And just to make this car even better, the sound system is upgraded. You're going to get your Harman Kardon speakers, okay? And one more thing is the power seat and the power passenger seat, alright? It's going to be 10-way adjustable for you, and it's going to have that lumbar support just to maximize your comfort, alright? And then another thing that's going to help you out with that comfort is going to be this really nice leather trim seats, okay?
Alright y'all, we've made our way here to the back of the vehicle where your passengers sit. This vehicle is equipped with privacy glass here in the back, as well as child safety locks.
What's up, guys? So I'm assuming that Ray told y'all about that really nice privacy glass that we got thrown in this vehicle, okay? I just wanted to make sure that I show you this really nice gloss black finish on this door panel, and as well as a really soft touch as well. It's not that grimy plastic that gets thrown in some other vehicles. So I'm going to slide over y'all just to show you how much room I got and just a couple things inside. One thing is you do get 2 pouches on the back of both seats, so that's just going to add to your convenience. And just another thing is we throw in some USB ports back here, as well as another 12-volt outlet for you. And just to make sure your friends are staying nice and cool back here, we got 2 dual vents as well. Alright guys, so you know your friends are going to be very comfortable back here. You're going to have tons of room, and also we threw in some all-weather mats for you as well.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't forget about them cup holders behind you, bud.
Guys, check this out. You know, just like most vehicles, you do got your dual cup holders. However, this leather trim just makes it very comfortable, alright? You can see here how much room I got. And if I'm being honest, I'm not a tall guy, guys. However, but I literally have about half a foot right here. So if I was 6'3", I wish I was, I believe I would still have a lot of room right here, guys. So, you know, that's about it for the back right here, guys. We're going to step to the trunk. Make sure we show you that smart power liftgate that Kia's implemented in the 2021s. Alright guys, so like I said in the last clip, I just wanted to make sure that I show you my favorite thing about this vehicle, okay? So as you can see, I'm not pressing anything, right? So basically those sensors back here are going to let the car know that I'm here and I need to get into the trunk. We call it a smart power liftgate, alright? So I'm going to step inside just to show you how much room you got back here, guys. And I know I'm not a big guy or anything like that, but you can see I got plenty of room. If I had to sit back here, I definitely could.
I don't want to let y'all forget, even though the keys aren't around, we do still have a button here for convenience.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
right
whoa.
here, this guy will close nice and easily. As well as the door is closing, we do have our rear view camera here, out of sight, out of mind, nice and easy. No one sees it at any time. We do have 4 sensors located on the back of the bumper, which will make sense here momentarily.
Hi guys, yeah, different face here. I'm Brandon with Parkside Kia. Ray had a customer come in, so let's just wrap this up on our 2021 EX Sportage. Okay, leather wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. From inside here, you have your blind spot, lane keep, as well as automatic rear door opener. You can do that from here, the key fob, anytime. Just real quick over here, you've got your Bluetooth, answer calls, hang up, voice to text, anything like that. When you have your vehicle hooked up to the CarPlay, you can use this to get into your contacts, to ask Siri or Hey Google, if you have a Samsung, to go to wherever you want. You just press it, say Lowe's near me, boom, comes up. Smart cruise control with stop and go. Notice right here I have your auto hold feature turned on. It's in the green. I am also in drive right now and I'm not touching the brakes, so your auto hold feature has to be on when using the smart cruise control. You will set it by hitting cruise, set at your desired speed. This button here is going to allow you to be 1 to 4 car lengths behind the leading vehicle. I usually like to keep it between 3 and 4. That way if they change out of the lane and you have it set at 70, you're not going to shoot up to speed really quick. You can also use that in town. Tying into the auto hold, it'll come to a complete stop. So if you're following behind someone at 35 miles an hour and there's a red light, if you happen to have kids and you're talking to them and your focus is not 100% on that red light coming up, the vehicle will stop for you so you don't rear into that cluster of cars in front of you. Zach?
Alright guys, so shout out to Brandon for helping us finish out this video. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is that this really soft touch, okay? It's not that grimy plastic. As well as you got this really nice 8-inch display, which is going to go hand in hand with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that Brandon was talking about, okay? And this is just very interesting, guys. You can do so many different things from here. One quick thing that I always like to show people is the sounds of nature. Imagine you and your girlfriend or your boyfriend, whoever, a friend even, go to a drive-in movie and you pull out the lively forest or calm sea waves or even a fireplace or a rainy day, right? It's just gonna help you relax a lot, okay? And then you'll check out this really nice piano gloss black around your display center, and to top it off, you got really nice dual climate control, okay? So you don't have to worry about your wife or husband or little sister, you know, being too cold or being too hot. You can set it to how you like it. Last thing, guys, just to make this car, you know, much greater, you got these ventilated seats at 3 different levels, as well as your heated seats at 3 different levels. And to top that off, you got a really nice heated steering wheel as well, right? And one thing I want to show you guys, other than my pretty girlfriend, of course, is this Q&I wireless phone charging pad, all right? So you can see that it's just charging my phone just by sitting it on there. And you don't have to worry about it overheating or anything like that, because Kia has recently fixed that problem. And guys, so as you can see here, like Brandon already told you, the car is in drive and his foot is not on the brake, right? That goes hand in hand with your auto hold that he was talking about. But one thing that he didn't mention was this electronic e-brake. So I just wanted to make sure you all do know about that, okay? So guys, this is really going to do it for this vehicle, the 2021 Kia Sportage EX. I appreciate your guys' time. I appreciate y'all listening to me. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you. And like I said in all of our other videos, guys, feel free to, you know, blow me up with questions, comments, or any concerns. And that's it, guys. With that being said, y'all have a great day, and we really hope to hear from y'all soon.
Thank you guys again, and I just wanted to comment that his girlfriend is really pretty.
Alright guys, thank you.
Hey guys, one more thing here with the EX technology package is you do have a panoramic sunroof, okay? Front to back. You have a sunroof here. The back glass is moon. Of course, it's not going to open, but if you look up, starry night, you're going to see everything. We also have a 3-car garage door, all right? It's called Auto Link. Rear view auto dimming home link mirror. What that does is it gives you 3 garage doors that you can program. So you've got your house, you've got your beach house, you've got your in-laws. You never have to worry about, did you grab the remote for the right house? Like, honey, did you get the beach house remote?
I forgot it.
Is it in your truck?
It is.
Way to go. I guess we're just gonna have to call the realtor. You just press a button, hook it up one time, and it's there. So again, thank you for tuning in. This is Brandon at Parkside Kia, Knoxville, Tennessee.
I'm Zach at Parkside Kia in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Have a great day, and God bless.